Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot with Canva for marketing brand consistency, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the main dashboard. Select Files from the drop-down menu. In the Files section, click on the Upload Files button. Choose the images and files you want to use in your Canva designs. Once your files are uploaded, locate and select an image. Click on the image to open the file settings. Copy the URL provided for the image. Next, open a new tab and log into your Canva account. In Canva, create a new design or open an existing one. On the left sidebar, click on the Upload section. Choose Upload Media to add images from your computer. Alternatively, use the link option to directly paste the HubSpot image URL. Once the image uploads, drag and drop it into your design. Customize your design elements to reflect your brand's colors and fonts. To maintain brand consistency, use the same logos and imagery across all designs. After finalizing your design, click on the Share button on the top right corner. Select Download and choose your preferred file type. Save the design to your local drive. Return to HubSpot and navigate back to the Marketing tab. This time, select Email to create a new marketing email. Choose the template that aligns with your campaign goals. In the email editor, click to edit the content. Insert your Canva design into the email body by uploading the image. Ensure the image appears correctly by previewing the email. Review all elements in your email for consistency with your brand guidelines. Once satisfied, save your progress and proceed to send a test email. After confirming that everything looks good, schedule or send your email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.